Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday, January the 30th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. Back on this date in 1966 that Alabama recorded its coldest temperature ever, 27 below zero. Newmarket, Madison County, set the all-time record that day. It was 5 below in Birmingham, 0 as far south as Clanton. Just perfect conditions for that record cold there in North Alabama. 12 inches of snow on the ground, clear, calm conditions, just set the stage. But that was just some 56 years ago. Upper pattern across North America showing the big system moving off the east coast. Some residual low pressure still over the eastern third of the country. A little isolated upper low there over the Four Corners region, desert southwest area of the United States. But high pressure controlling much of the United States. And that's going to be the case as we go into the new week ahead here over the southeast. Starting off chilly this morning, mid and upper 20s in a lot of areas. Temperatures today, though, will recover nicely into the upper 50s to near 60 across much of the area, especially southwest of Birmingham. You'll see warmer temperatures, but absolutely beautiful weather. Blue skies will be in the 20s to near 30 tonight. Now, by tomorrow, this big sprawling upper high will shunt this upper disturbance to the southwest of us into the Gulf of Mexico. So while it is going to be raining tomorrow at noon over a good bit of south central Texas, that is going to come nowhere near Alabama. That system will go into the Gulf. The next system, that system over the southwest, shears out and moves to the northeast. You see rain breaking out here from Kansas to Missouri, parts of northern Arkansas and Illinois. On Tuesday, here in Alabama, a beautiful day. The southerly flow, we'll see a good bit of sunshine, temperatures rising into the lower and middle 60s after morning lows in the 30s. Now, by Wednesday, things begin to change. We've got strong high pressure to the north, strong high pressure to the east and the middle. We've got lots of moisture flowing northward out of the Gulf of Mexico. Showers will break out here by Wednesday. Into Wednesday afternoon, rain become likely. The system sort of drift back to the north late Wednesday night and Thursday, but look at all this wintry precipitation back to our west and northwest. From parts of Colorado and New Mexico through the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles into Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, up into Indiana, and even into southeastern Canada. That system sharpens up even further on Thursday. Here we've got showers still continuing over Alabama. Surface low tracking near Iuka, Mississippi. This area of magenta here, very heavy freezing rain, something that could be quite a problem for parts of eastern Texas, Arkansas, through the Missouri Boot Hill, extreme northwestern Tennessee, and all along the Ohio River Valley. Transitions back into some frozen precipitation, sleet there on the northwest side, and a good bit of snow there across the Midwest by Thursday. Now, by Friday, that system's lifting on off to the northeast. Cold front pushes through Alabama. We turn sharply colder. After being in the 60s on Thursday, we'll struggle to get out of the 40s on Friday, and it's probably more of the same for Saturday. Struggling to get out of the 40s to near 50 degrees across the area after a decent freeze Saturday morning. Going out further in time, Sunday we see the GFS predicting that there will be another developing system. The European hasn't picked up on this, but I show it to you just as it is a possibility. Rain across Alabama. Could be cold enough for a little mixed precipitation over northern part of the state, I guess. We'll have to watch that closely. The model not really picking up on much of that. Most of the freezing and really frozen precipitation to the north, with some freezing rain there across central North Carolina and southern Virginia. Going out to the end of the period, 2 weeks from now, Friday the 11th of February, shows more heavy rain developing along the Gulf Coast with some snow and mixed precipitation on the northern shield there, particularly back through central and northern Louisiana into western Mississippi. We'll watch that very closely. Temperatures off the National Blended Model show that will be in the upper 50s today, lower 60s tomorrow, middle 60s by Tuesday, backing off just a bit for Wednesday, but Thursday should see high temperatures in the middle 60s. Lows will trend northward through the 30s to the 40s and into the 50s by Thursday morning. But then you see we sort of fall off the cliff on Friday. Temperatures don't get out of the 40s. Saturday, we struggle to get out of the 40s. Same for Sunday. We'll be watching for the chance of precipitation in this period, but we continue to moderate as we're going out through the period. And that's sort of what we can expect in the temperature department. In the Weather Brains department, had a great show Monday night. Talked about rainbows with a professor from the University of Hawaii. And we also talked to Paul Huttner, amazing meteorologist with Minnesota Public Radio. He is their chief meteorologist and quite an educator. Weather Brains Weekly Netcast is all about weather wherever you get your podcast. So that's your weather video for the 30th of January. I'll have notes on the blog and update on the forecast coming up for you at noon. James will be here with 2 days all next week. I'll be here next Saturday and Sunday. Scott will be taking a day off, well-deserved day off. And until I get that chance again, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.